Guys, this is the second part of Krups coffee grinder, how to reassemble and fix. After I remove, I found this part was the problem. Here was rusted and dusty. So I cleaned up it and I'm gonna put some grease on it. Also I found one of these brushes is broken. So I will replace the brushes and we'll see if this fixed the machine. After put some grease on it, I'm gonna put it back. It may need a lot of pressure to put it back. I was unsucceed to put it back using pressure by hand. So I made the part a little wider using plier. Then I place on top of the motor and I will squeeze down the wider part after I tied up these two screws. Now I'm squeezing the wider part. After it plays perfectly, I'll put the brushes on. Actually, I fixed the broken brush by soldering the broken part. Now, it is very simple to put back the brushes on. First, put the brushes at the square gap. Then, push down the spring using a screwdriver or something. Then place the wire plate above the spring and do the same for other one. You could pull out the lock a little bit. Now you need to put this part on top of the removed part. Before put the mechanical part, put this part on if you have removed like this way. Now place the whole mechanism inside the plastic case. Then put these two screws on. After this, put this top part the way it fits. Don't need much pressure, it should be fine. Now put the blade before you put the back side, otherwise you will not able to tie up the blade. Now tie the blade from the back where you have access to use screwdriver. By the way, don't forget to put the switch bar on, this will go here. Now put back cover on, just press firmly and make sure all locked up. Just press firmly. Be all locked tight. I found this stay a little loose, but it will be fine. Finally, let's test the grinder. It works as new. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if there are any comments or suggestion, please put at comment section below.